in Hamilton County, Tennessee. Mayor Weston Wamp has declared a local state of emergency following devastating flash floods. Authorities report 3 victims, 2 adults and a child killed when a tree fell onto their car in East Brainerd. The body of a man swept away by floodwaters was recovered after an intense search, hampered by rising waters and heavy debris. The torrential rains also shut down Interstate 24 in Chattanooga, where water rose over 3 feet. Video shows drivers abandoning vehicles and even turning around to drive the wrong way to escape. While waters have begun to recede, a considerable flash flood warning remains in effect. Officials urge extreme caution as damage assessments continue and the search for missing persons goes on.